Hi guys, it's Cherael again, and today we are going to be doing pink ombre glitter nails using the dip powder method. So stay tuned. The products I'll be using today are clear dip powder from Pro-Dip, Cherael Sky Pure White, and Cherael Sky Seal Protect, and this pink glitter I got from a craft store, and the iridescent glitter I got from Amazon. So I already applied my tips, and now I'm applying bond to dehydrate the nails. Then I wait 30 seconds and then I apply base and dip it into the clay. So now I apply base to the tip of the nail, and then I dip it into Cherael Sky Pure White. This layer is going to be really thin because I don't want the nails to be too bulky. So next I'm taking up a small bead of clay, and then I dip it into this pink glitter by using Seal Protect in the same way we use monomer, and then I apply it to my nail. Then I carefully work it around the cuticle area and then bring it up the nail to give a gradient effect. So I make it compact towards the cuticle area and it gets more sparse towards the end. So once the pink glitter is laid, I'm going to take this iridescent glitter and I'm going to apply that to where the pink fades out so that it overlaps with the pink glitter to create a nice transition between the two glitters. I did not use any clear acrylic with this chunky glitter because I thought it would be too chunky and it wouldn't lay flat. So I'm just using the Seal Protect to pick up the chunky glitter here. Now once everything is to my liking, I'm going to encapsulate the glitters by placing the brush into the Seal Protect and then into the clay. I took up wet beads and I just pat it into place so that it wouldn't move the iridescent glitter, because I didn't mix the iridescent glitter with any clear acrylic. I only mixed the pink glitter with the clear acrylic, so that was laid perfectly. However, the iridescent glitter wasn't laid perfectly. I just picked it up with Seal Protect and applied it to the nail. So any movement with that one, all the glitter would have been off the nail. That is why I had to pat it in place, pat the clear acrylic in place in order for the iridescent glitter not to move. So I'm going to repeat the same thing I did for all of the nails. So for the middle finger, I forgot to add the white first. So yeah, good thing I caught it in time. So I just decided to apply the white to all of the nails in the meantime so that I wouldn't forget again. I really love the color shifting of the iridescent and the pink. It's a nice ombre, because at first I didn't like it. I really hated it actually, because the colors wasn't really hitting me like I wanted it to. I wanted a bit of dramatic color and I wasn't getting that, you know. So I was like, damn, what have I done? But eventually I started to like it because it was nice. I don't know what was wrong with me. Yeah, I get like that sometimes. So when doing your nails, I would advise that you start with your pinky nail first, because your first nail is the one you're going to mess up at. When people ask to see your nails, the nails they focus on is usually the pointer, middle, and ring finger. So stay tuned and you would see why I said what I said. I'm still improving my craft and I'm excited just to look back a year from now and be like, damn, I've gotten way better. I hope you guys would be with me along for the ride, and I hope I could be successful in this YouTube thing a year from now. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below to let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to stay in the know about when I upload. I upload content about dip powder and the various ways that dip powder could be used to achieve easy dip powder designs. If you're a first timer to my channel, check out what I've done so far, and thanks to all who have subscribed and stayed subscribed. So as I said before, with this nail design, I had a love-hate relationship with it. It's a nice design, however the colors are too close, not too closely related. That could be a good thing, but now it's a good thing because I like it. But before, I was like, the colors were too close together, there isn't any contrast. It's an ombre for sure, but I wanted the colors to pop more, and these were subtle and mundane. I wanted something a little extra. I wanted to be doing the most with these nails, but it was cute or whatever. Next time I'll choose different colors. I liked how the iridescent white matched with the pink. It kind of gave me a milky vibe, I don't know how to explain it actually, so let me stop. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you like it, if you don't like it, and what you like about it. So afterwards, I further encapsulated the nails by using base and dipping it into the clear acrylic, because without this step we couldn't file the nails. Gosh, do you see how that looks? So beautiful. My goodness, I can't believe I didn't like this shit. Then I applied activator and did my shaping and filing. This is after shaping and filing, and now I apply more activator. So now it's top coat time. I wouldn't lie, these were some of my favorite nails because I love glitter, you know. And looking at it, I did good. I did very good this time, Cherael. You did good. Came out so beautifully. This pink ombre was one of my faves. And this is the finished look, guys. So gorgeous. I know I'm kind of blind, but I wouldn't miss this. Why is the index finger so cloudy? What the?